The 26.5 Ranger models have just landed on our showroom. Come with me as I show you the differences between some of the trim levels. How the range looks from the entry level trims, it starts with the XL, then we've got the XLS. The Black Edition now is around to stay as a permanent range in the lineup. Then we have the XLT. And then after that, we move into this Wolftrak, which is one of the new trims to the 26.5s. This color we have here is the Command Grey, which was previously only available in the Raptor and the Super Duty. Unique to the Wolftrak as well, there is this Traction Green color. The Traction Green is also available in the Super Duty. No matter what color you choose, the Zest green accents will come along with the car. So the Wolftrak comes with a 3-litre turbo diesel V6, and that is the only option of engine available for this one. This is standard across all the Ranger trims. Looking at the front, we have the gloss and slightly matte black grille with the Ford emblem there, which is a bit more of a dark kind of blue and a bit more of a white on the logos as opposed to the standard blue oval. So the only option available for wheels and tyres on this car are your 17-inch black wheels with the Zest color on there, and these come with all-terrain tyres as well. Looking at the side of the Wolftrak, you will find these matte black guards, matte black badges over here. The mirror caps are matte black as well as the matte black door handles, and the side steps are all matte black as well as the matte black pillars over here. Moving to the interior, you can see the seats are a nice leather. They do have a bit of a dark green accent across the seats there with the Wolftrak stitching. The panels up here, there are also dark green accents across the entire car, and you do get the larger 12-inch touchscreen as well. It does also come with the auxiliary switch option as well. So moving into the Tremor, which is better for people with that slightly more off-road focus, we have this Tremor here. This one is in the Command Grey, similar to the Wolftrak previously. There are extra lights here that will help with the off-roading, and you can see that it has similar black and grey kind of grille to the Wolftrak. The only option available in engine configuration is the same 3-litre turbo diesel V6. Coming to the side of the Tremor, the first thing you would notice is its presence with these matte black 17-inch wheels with these big chunky general grabber all-terrain tyres, as well as it sits a bit higher than the standard Rangers and a tad bit wider as well with these flares. Walking along the side, you'll see these flares. They are a gloss kind of grey colour, dark grey. You'll find that the matte black and gloss black badges over here. The mirrors are matte black, as well as the door handles, the pillars, and the side rails as well, side steps. You do get a pretty bold Tremor sticker on the side as well. Moving to the back, you do have this Tremor badging here as well. You will find this matte black sports bar standard on the Tremors as well. Moving to the back, you will notice that the interior is all leather, and you can option for these Tremor embossed all-weather rubber mat. Moving to the front seats, you will see it's a similar kind of leather, just with the Tremor embossed logo up here as well. So the interior is a pretty standard Ranger interior, not much has changed, but you do get the bigger 12-inch touchscreen as well on this one, and the accessory switches overhead. Moving to the trim that everyone knows and loves, the Wildtrak, we'll walk around some of the differences as well. The Wildtrak is now only available in the 3-litre V6 turbo diesel as well. Colour-wise, the majority of the Wildtrak colours have remained the same, except they have dropped the Lux Yellow and replaced it with this new signature orange, which is a very American styling. So looking at the front of the car, we can see that the overall grille is all gloss. The logo is a similar kind of design with the white logo and the kind of darker blue. And we do have the orange accents over here as well. There's only option for wheels and tyres, and that are these 18-inch wheels, which are a slightly different design from the previous Wildtrak wheels, as well as the similar Wrangler tyres that were on the Wildtraks previously. Walking along this side of the car, you can see we have these matte black guards here, this matte and gloss badging to show that you have that V6. The mirrors are a gloss black. The side steps here, it's all matte black pillars here as well. Probably the biggest and most favorite change on the 26.5 Wildtraks is this sailplane. It's all matte black. as well as this entire shutter and these bars here are all matte black, as opposed to the old, these were silver. Along with the accessory switch option, there is the option to still have the cargo management, so the extra tie down points inside the tub. And the other key difference to the options on the Wildtrak is the flexible rack system. So previously the flexible rack system was a bit more expensive. Now it has dropped in price for the 26.5s significantly. Moving to the back of the interior in the Wildtrak, you'd notice that it's pretty much the same, except this orange stitching. It's a bit of a different color. It used to be a bit more of a yellow inside the previous trims, and you do have this suede here as well across. Looking at the passenger seat on the Wildtrak, it is still a manual, so you have to move it like that. The stitching color remains the same, but you do have this similar kind of suede across here, as well as the orange Wildtrak logo there. The color continues over here. You have a bit of a leather accent up here. You do still have your big 12-inch touchscreen display as standard on the Wildtrak. Also as standard, you'll still find the electric brake controllers for your towing, things like your electronic wireless charger as well as your USB-Cs over here and USB. This specific Wildtrak here does not have it, but you can get the 6-button accessory switches as an option as well. Probably one of our favorite changes is the B&O sound system now coming standard across the Wildtrak trim as opposed to being an option like previously. So finishing up the changes to the 26.5 Rangers, we have the Ranger Platinum over here. This color here is the brand new Acacia Green, which has replaced the Equinox Bronze. So this is the hero color for our Platinum vehicles. You cannot get this color in any other car apart from the Ranger and Everest Platinum. So the grille has got this piano black with chrome accents on the front, and the Platinum badging on the front hood is all piano black. It does come with the same 3-litre turbo diesel V6 that is standard across all the other Ranger trims. If you look at this one specifically though, you will notice that it does have this dual battery setup, which was done as a Ford license accessory through ARB. Looking at the styling on the side, you will notice these gloss black flares. The wheels and tyres haven't changed at all. You'll still find your matte and gloss badging over here. The mirrors are colour matched on the Platinum. Door handles as well are colour matched. You do have your black Platinum badging across the side there, as well as a matte and chrome side step. So the flexible racking system is still standard in the Platinum, whereas this part over here is a matte black now. It is still silver on the inside where the rack slides across. Interior wise on the Platinum, really not too much has changed. You still have your light stitching and your plush leather all inside. The leather interior, it's slightly different, but still your plaided leather kind of interior. You still get your 12-inch digital touchscreen, as well as your auxiliary switches as standard in the Platinum. So there you have it. Those are the key differences between the new 26.5 Ranger trims. We've got them here in the showroom at Stillwell Ford only, so come give us a visit, say hello if you want to know a bit more. If you have any questions, queries, comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. My name is Vince from Ford Know How. Thank you very much for watching.